Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how I coil my hair, and this was pre-bang days. So if you follow my IG page, Nayoka_XOXO__, you'll see how my hair looks now. So to get started, this was done on freshly washed hair, not soaking wet, it was damp. I prefer to do my hair when it's damp because I find it takes shorter time to dry. So right there, I was working in my Cantu tea tree and JOJOBA oil. I previously added my Cantu leave-in conditioner. The main gel or product that I used for this style was the coconut eco styler. And taking a small section, start to get it as tight as possible. All you're going to do is just roll or coil. Just roll the hair, and this will be easier if you have in a lot of products, so like gel or cream, and you just roll it to the end and kind of define the end by rolling it around your fingers, and you just continue. It's a very easy style.
Hey, Joanna, why you do me just like that? I go give you all my loving. Love me too, I love you back. Joanna, you be the man them sugar, man them sugar.
And I try to do it as fine as possible because the bigger you do it, the less defined it will look, and the shorter time it will last. This hairstyle lasted me for about 2 weeks. I could wear it down for the first week. The second week, I mainly wore it in like a bun. And in the morning, you can just go over like with your fingers, add a little product, and just rework the parts that are pulling out.
Give me your goodie bag, I want your goodie bag, baby.
Pay special attention to the roots and the ends. You want to get those tight and defined as possible.
Body cause damage. Joanna,
If you find it difficulty to coil the hair, just add some more cream or gel. That should do the trick. And yeah, almost finished. Well, yeah.
Joanna, hey, how you gonna
Last section.
How you gonna do me like JOJOBA? Oh, DJ JOJOBA.
And if you want, you can do a center part, a side part. It just depends on how you want to wear the hair. And we're all done. Just redoing some of the sections that I thought were not as defined as I wanted them to be.
Joanna, your busy body busy tonight. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna? Why you gonna do me like Joanna?
Now that we have these beautiful curls, I'm going to be showing you how I care for my coils at night. So it's best to use a satin or silk scarf, but I only have this one. So I basically just put my hair in a pineapple and just tuck the ends away.
Joanna, your busy body busy tonight.
In the morning, I just undo the pineapple and can either add moisturizer or a bit of water to refresh my curls, and that's it. You please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your continued support. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.
Joanna.